how I do my press-on nails, what products I use, and how I do it. I just literally put this lip on for the purposes of this video because I was in here with ashy lips like 3 seconds ago. Grab your wine, grab your hookah, grab whatever it is that you need to relax and get this tea, because we just want to chill. It's a nice little toasty Saturday night. And yeah, that's just what it's giving right now. Actually, I think I kind of like this lip. I just threw it on for the video purposes because, like I said, my lips was kind of ashy. But I like it, or whatever. I got my hair done today. It's not really done. I'm gonna do some more with it because this isn't really what I had asked for as far as the length or the look. I was going for the Bonita Rebel look. If you guys follow her, Bonita Rebel, she is the bomb. Her hair always looks bomb. That was the look that I was going for with this. Hit or miss. Of course, you know, it is what it is. But I'm gonna just add my own little spin to it. So in today's video, we're going to be doing some nails. I'm gonna be doing my nails. I'm gonna show y'all these nails that I got. I ordered these nails off of Etsy, so y'all know how it is with Etsy. It's hit or miss. This wine is really like giving me a vibe, and I like it. So I want y'all to be on the same level as me. So anyway, so let's get into these nails. So I ordered these nails from Etsy, literally straight out the pack with it. I'm gonna be putting them on, so I'm gonna do my nails on camera so you guys can see like how I do my nails when I do my press-ons. All quarantine long, I've been doing press-ons because literally the nail shops are open and they're closed, they're open and they're closed. So I've just been on the market for press-ons for nails since the beginning of quarantine because I legit like don't have time for the back and forth. Like I need my nails done. My nails look crazy. They look crazy. Look at this. This looks crazy. These are the nails. They're absolutely bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Yeah. It's called Nails by MJ on Etsy.com. We Love an Ombre is the name of the nail set. And these is what they are given. This was the wrong, I didn't order these ones. At first, it's funny because I thought about getting these ones, but I didn't necessarily want these ones. And these are the ones that they sent me. I wanted the natural ombre, just the regular like nude color and like a fade to white ombre, but they sent me the pink ones, so whatever. So I'm gonna grab my nail file. They send you like a little nail file, a nail file, a nail file, a buffer, some glue, and a cuticle stick. And then you also get 15% off. It's a thank you with a 15% off. And you also get some stickies. So I use both stickies. I use stickies and glue when I'm doing press-ons. I find that it lasts a whole lot longer. Two and a half weeks when I do both. I first start off with doing like alcohol. I spray a little bit of alcohol on this little pad here. And then I just to clean off my nail bed. I've been doing hair and you know it's kind of messy. My nails look crazy right now, so I just need to get all the dirt, oil off my nail bed before I actually like go in and start doing my nails. So I have been looking like crazy. I've literally looked at so many apartments. It's not even funny. I've looked at like, you know what, I'm gonna post a video because I have a lot of apartments that I've been looking at, but none of them until today have caught my eye, or they caught my eye, but they haven't been like, ooh, like I really, really want that. And you know, like when you're moving, you really want to fall in love with wherever you're moving. So this particular place that I'm looking at applying to actually today, I'm gonna look at applying online. I'm just gonna pray about it first because y'all know me, like I can't make moves without praying. I just can't. It's not, especially nowadays, like everything is so uncertain. Now I'm gonna start filing. but everything is like so uncertain and up in the air. So I gotta check with the good man above before I make moves, especially like permanent moves like signing a lease, because once I'm in, I'm locked in. I'm just gonna clip my nails down a little bit because they are, I was trifling. They grow. They grow. And I feel like I have dirt underneath of them. But yeah, guys, like, I'm sorry I haven't been posting as much as I know I need to or want to. It's just because I've been adjusting to a new job and I've been busy literally because the job is 9 to 5. Like, I'm working from home. I'm trying to stay focused. So working from home is not, I don't know who said they want to, whew, it's hard. It's not as easy as it seems. So everybody who works from home, I give it up to you guys, because it's literally like, it's not easy. It's not easy. Like, you got to be focused. You got to be focused. So that's what I've been like doing. And that's why I haven't been able to upload my videos as much as I would like to, because I've been just trying to focus on, working my 9 to 5. And then when I'm finished doing that, I'm literally like rushing before the sun goes down, which of course by the time I get off, the sun is already literally like gone down. So I'm trying to go look at apartments after the sun has gone down, which is throwing me off. So because I want to make sure like lighting, everything, you know what I mean? Like, places can look different during the day than they do at night, and that can be a deal breaker. So that's what I've been doing. It's just been crazy. It's been crazy. So yeah, other than that, really nothing has changed. Like I said, I've just been adjusting to this like 9 to 5 work from home situation, and looking at places, and trying to decide like if I want to stay, if I want to go. Obviously I want to go, but if I don't find anything that I want, then I'm not. I can't believe I let my nail bed get this bad. It looks really bad. Like, after my last set of nails, I didn't put nothing on my nails for a minute, and they just start to look trifling. Okay, so now that I have completely buffed out my nails, cleaned them with alcohol, removed any like dirt or excess oil, make sure you do that. That's definitely really important, because you want the nails to stick and stay on. You want the glue to be able to stay on. And yeah, that's just really important. Make sure you always use the alcohol. So I'm going to use the double-sided stickies in addition to the glue. You'll see here how I'm just applying applying the double-sided like stickies, and then I'm using the nail bond glue in addition to it. So it comes in this bottle. This nail bond glue is literally everything. I'm going to link it in the description below. Make sure if you get your press-ons that you definitely use that glue, because it's really nice. I find that, yeah, I get a long wear out of that glue, and I think it is waterproof, as so are the stickies. So yeah, both of them are waterproof. So I use a little bit of the nail bond glue on I use it over the adhesive. I try to go around it, and then I also apply it to the nail before applying the nail to my actual nail bed, if that makes sense. So let it like dry a little bit, let it get a little bit tacky, because you don't want the glue to like slide, and then just press the nail right over your nail bed, right on top of the sticky, and the glue it's just perfect. It's gonna be real seamless. And you don't use too much glue, because you want it to stay on, and you don't want it to be sliding, and you don't want to get the glue on your actual like cuticles. So this is how it should look. Just press it for a little bit and make sure there's nothing on the nail, like no glue or anything. And yeah, you're good to go. So this is pretty much me repeating the whole entire process here. I'm going to again apply the double-sided sticky to my nail. So once I've applied the sticky to my nail, I like to make sure everything matches up, so make sure you put the right size nail as close as possible to your nail so it doesn't overlap and it doesn't look weird. These nail sizes, I realized, were a little bit bigger. Depending on where you order your nails from, definitely determines like the sizing and everything. So make sure when you order your nails, you kind of take a look at the nail sizes for reference, because yeah, these nails were a little bit big. So I noticed that when they do look a little bit big, it doesn't look natural. So but yeah, make sure you match it up as close as possible. And then I'm applying the nail adhesive to the nail. And then I'm just going to stick it right on over top of my nail bed. And I'm going to repeat the process all over again as you see here. I got one more nail left. So with everybody under this new stay at home, you know what? We was never under a new one. Y'all shouldn't have been going out from the beginning of it. Like, I don't understand why everybody was so pressed to be out in the first place. Now we can't do nothing. So yeah, I let it dry a little bit and then I pop them on. I think I'm gonna definitely order these again, but in the shade that I actually wanted this time, because this wasn't the shade that I wanted. They're cute, but that wasn't the shade that I asked for. I wanted the nude. I don't know how long it's gonna last because these are hella long and I be doing stuff. I usually put on a clear coat, a clear top coat at the end, just to seal everything in give it a nice little shine and some luster. And I also find that it helps my nails to last a little bit longer. So I usually will go over with, this is just Sally Hansen Extreme Wear top coat. Depending on like what type of press-ons you use, like these ones, they don't feel cheap, but some of the press-ons that I've had, they felt cheap and flimsy. So if you use the top coat, it will help to make it not feel flimsy. It'll give it, you know, make it feel a little bit stronger. So that's a little tip for that. Just go over with some clear polish or a top coat, just to give it some shine, harden it up a little bit so your nails aren't inclined to break as much. Just so you know, you don't have to get them this long. They don't have to be this long. I don't even know why I got them this long, but yeah, we'll see. I really wanted the nude ones. I don't like, these are, they're cute, but they're not really my style. I prefer like a nude. Everybody who knows me, I'm a nude girl. I like nude lips, nude nails. I'm a nude girl all the way. But I'm gonna let this hand dry. The top coat, completely optional, because as you can see, with nails this long, it can be kind of challenging trying to put it on, and you just see, I'm doing too much. Just don't touch nothing. I love you for watching. If you haven't already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, because it's going to be a lot more content coming to you. I promise. Gang. They're definitely not dry. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. All right, I'm gonna head out. I love you.